What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, checking it out. Consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. Super subscriber, you know who you are. Thanks for coming back. I'm up here right now at SM Pampanga. It's been a while since I've been up here. I think I might have come up here one time when things were a little on the, you know, you can't enter, and, you know, masks and shields and all that other fun stuff. It's been over a year. I'm up here. I'm just going to walk through. This is a pretty big mall. This is in San Fernando. Like I said, it's a nice big mall. I come up here because I'm looking for an extra battery and a charger for my GoPro. And here's what I'm finding out. I was over in the electronics department. I walked into about 3 or 4 different places. And excuse me, do you sell GoPro products? No, sir, sorry, we don't. One place said order only. I'm like, okay. And I asked them, I said, do you know any stores in the electronic area that sells GoPro? Every single one of them said no. I'm like, but you work in the area, don't you know? No, sorry, sir, we only stay in our store. I'm like, okay. You don't know if any of the other stores sell because you only stay in your store. Yes, sir. Okay. So, I mean, it's a big mall. I would think somewhere along the line I'm going to find it. Here's another thing. Look, they are allowing kids now in the mall, little ones. No vaccinations required. This is the level 1. So I even noticed up at SM Mall in Clark there, kids are allowed in the mall now. That's cool to get these kids out. They miss coming to the mall. I mean, some of them are so little, they weren't even walking when the pandemic hit. You know, now here they are in the mall, walking around. It's always nice. People come to the mall for the simple reason, just to get out of the heat, get into air conditioning. It is about 11 o'clock, so the mall hasn't been open that long. I'm sure on the weekends it gets there's a lot more people in here. So yeah, even outside, they have an outside area where they have Ferris wheel. They have rides for kids. It's really nice. We brought Hannah up there a few years ago. She was little, and we're gonna have to come back up in the evening sometime. But that's open. If you look down below, they used to always have the little arrows pointing which way to walk. They would always have a traffic controller officer always on the bullhorn. Excuse me, sir, please walk to the right. Excuse me, sir, please put on your... Gone. None of that is here no more. Even over at SM Clark, I noticed it too, that all the little floor signs are gone. And so aside from wearing these masks, you would think things are back up and normal and running, which they kind of are, you know. They are kind of back up and running at a normal pace. Once we ditch these masks and they start doing like all the other countries around the world, you know, letting you decide whether or not you want to wear it or you don't want to wear it, that'll be a great step. Because as soon as they say, well, the choice is yours. Remember, like, choice is always yours. As soon as they say that, this mask is coming off. Theater upstairs. The theaters are reopened again. Most places. So when you're level 1, everything's allowed to be open at 100% capacity. No more social distancing and no more like every other seat. Everything is 100%. Just looking to see what's new and what's not new. Looking to see if there's a GoPro store down here. Vitamins, Jollibee. Somebody had asked me in the past, like, morning, is it easy to pick up girls at the mall? Just say hello. I've said that many a times. Just say hello. They're either going to say hello back to you. They might laugh and giggle, but you just say hello and go from there. There's the SM store. This is a long mall. Then they have a few branches that, a few wings that shoot off. But I'll get up there in the electronic area and I'll show you. It's a huge, huge electronic area. I would hope to find what I'm looking for up there, since it's so huge. Now there is a GoPro shop down in SM North, which is in Quezon City. It's an actual GoPro authorized seller. It's a GoPro store run by GoPro, authorized by GoPro. A lot of times this is new. Oh wow, that looks good. That looks really good. I gotta walk away from there. I can feel my sugar rising just by walking. A lot of times what it is they are authorized resellers of a product. Like right by my GoPro and other electronics, they are called authorized distributor. That's it, authorized distributor of GoPro, of Samsung, of Apple iProduct. They don't necessarily work for a specific company like GoPro or Samsung or iPhone. They're an authorized distributor. Big difference there. Big difference. Oh, there's Zark's Burger. First time I ever ate a Zark's Burger was right here. They're good, but they are not as good as what do you call it? Up there in outside Hensonville. I can't even think of the name of the burger place now. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. All right, guys. You know what? I'm just going to. We're here at the end. There's a few little stores down there, but we're going to head up. I'm going to show you the electronics department. I'll show you how big the area is. All right, so this is kind of where the electronic area starts. They got a Tom's World for kids. Nice to see that open. That was another one that was, closed because kids were not allowed to come to the mall. I don't know what they got here. Res Hukuna Kids. Maybe a show going on later on. Kind of looks like it. So they got shows going on back in the malls. There's a little "I got vaccinated" sign over there. Out there is the little park. Like I said, I'm gonna get up here with the kids, take them to that little park, let them ride some rides. I'll ride some rides. All you can eat, all you want. Looks empty. Now I gotta keep my eye out for a place that has GoPro batteries. That looks new. Got all these little kiosks in here wanting to give you cell phone covers and wrap your cell phone and give you case covers, and I got all them dudes in there cooking. It's a culinary academy. Wow. That's cool. The Rooks Culinary Academy. That looks neat. Enrolling is ongoing. Inquire inside for more details. That's neat. That's neat. All the future chefs of Pampanga. Wonder if they're the ones that prepare your meals when you go in there and sit down. There's so many electronic stores through here. A lot of them sell phones and computers and Picture City, Tech, PC, Domain. You just gotta look for a GoPro sticker or something on something, or you'll spend all day long running in and out of these. Octagon, I don't see anything. Asus. Yeah, this is the electronic area, very big. Inbox is where I go into the mall over at Clark, but I already was in there. They don't sell it. They got PlayStations in there, Sony, Asus, AudioNet, Rules, MX, Onward. This is where I ask people, and they told me, "Oh, we only know what's on we only know inside our store. AudioNet, all right." I already got a phone. Thank you. Hey man. Hey man. Shout out. What is this? What is that? What is that? Tap out? Oh, shout out. That's shout out. Okay, shout out. All right, cool. Now I know. Thank you. Shout out. All right. Somebody was saying about those kids up in the up by the college throwing a sign. I guess that's. Oh, hello, hello. Shout out. Shout out. Is that how you do shout out? They tell me something. They say, is this shout out? What's shout out? Yeah, shout out. Yeah. Shout out. Oh, all right. Maybe they're messing with me. Hello. I'm looking for a GoPro battery. GoPro battery. And you know any ones that do? You don't know? You only know like your own store. Because you stay here. Okay. All right. Thank you. See? They only know their own store. Hello. I'll ask these girls. They'll probably give me the same thing. No, I'm looking for a GoPro battery.
A GoPro battery?
Yeah. You know where I can find? What? Sony? You think they have it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Shout out. Anybody want to shout out from my YouTube channel? No?
Are you vlogger, sir?
Uh-oh. Oh, hang on, hang on. All right, guys. It's been an unsuccessful mission. I have not found what I am looking for. And I've gone to every place that they told me. And, sorry, sir, out of stock. The two places that do sell GoPro products, they just don't have them. The one said they could order, but it was shut out. One said they could order it. Shout out, shout out. One said they could order, but I'm going to have to wait. So I could maybe have a Reno 7 series.
Yes,
all right.
Reno 7 series, sir. The new latest
Of
Smart
the.
2, Oppo Smart 2.
Okay. I got a Samsung. I got a Samsung. I don't need a new phone, but good job. I got a buddy who's heading down to SM North this weekend. He said he would look if I couldn't find any, and I can't find any up here. I know order online. I already checked Lazada. It's coming out of China, which, okay, I guess it's okay. But I can get it sooner. That skirt of yours is nice. They just gave me a little wave, shook their head. No robo-cops in there, so. All right, guys, mission failed. Is what it is. That's the problem here, you know, even in the past, like I was saying, how they're resellers, they're not authorized dealers, they're authorized resellers of products. And I even noticed during pandemic, you couldn't get electronic parts. You couldn't get electronic stuff because they just weren't getting them in. So anyway, check it out. There's the Ferris wheel I was telling you about. And that thing is all lit up at night. It looks really nice when it's lit up. So we'll get up here with the kids on the weekend when they're out of school. So, all right, guys, heading home now. Once again, thanks for stopping in, checking out my channel. If you haven't subscribed, take the time to subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. On our way to 100,000 subscribers, hopefully by the end of the year. And with that, we'll talk to you later.